guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to simply restore your headlight switch back to normal. So I think I was either getting out or getting into my car, and I managed to push this part of the headlight switch, the actual knob, in. So to remove it, it's very simple. You just got to grab it, and while it's in the zero position, in the off position, you just got to pull it back as much as you can. If there's not enough room, then you will have to take this out first. To do that, firstly open the door and attack it from the side.
So by attacking it from the side, I mean using a pry tool. You want to remove this cover here. There's actually a little tab on the bottom there that you can put your pry tool inside and pull it away. So from the back, you just want to use one finger and push it through, and it will come out on the inside. On the inside, before you take the switch and try and pull it back to normal, I'd advise you to take the plug out. So as you can see here, there's a plug on the back, squeeze the tab and pull it out.
Okay, so as you can see, I've managed to remove it now. So now using two hands, you just want to simply place your hand on the actual switch, and using your other hand, you just want to pull this straight out. Let's see how I can do it. So as I said, that's how it looks there. All I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab it with this hand and pull it straight through. So it's not flush, and now it is flush. And that is it. So all I need to do is plug that little connector back in here, and then push it straight into the dash for it to click. And that is it. Alright, so as you can see, I've plugged that back in. It is now flush. I'm just going to push it in all the way till it clicks in. And that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.